Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number to the dealership here is 352-694-1234. And as you can tell, we're having another beautiful day here in Central Florida. The phone number here to the dealership is 694-1234. And when you arrive at 2261 Southwest College Road and you see the beautiful flag in the background, you have arrived. A quick minute or two to introduce a fresh arrival. And this is just as the family dropped it off. We're going to send it back for service and detail, but it certainly doesn't need much. This is a 2017 Ram Longhorn 4-wheel drive, leather, clean one-owner CARFAX, 25,000 miles. Yes, 2017. It's driven about 6,000 miles a year. 25,000 miles, leather, navigation, big back doors, smoke-free cabin, backup camera. It's got a big screen for the monitor, factory tow package. And you're right, this thing's not been in the woods. Big 20-inch Goodyear radials. Interior, the leather is pristine. Ronnie's in it for me, but it's got a factory navigation, big screen, backup camera, smoke-free cabin, and just everything about it. I don't know that a new one, the seats are a whole lot nicer than this one is. So just taking a quick minute or two to highlight a fresh arrival. 2017 clean one-owner CARFAX, 25,000 miles, Hemi V8 4-wheel drive. We buy nice trucks at Prestige Auto Sales, but we don't buy them to keep. We've got some great national lenders, some local credit unions, and even Chris Credit for in-house financing. But just wanted to share this with you, and I hope you get here soon. I don't think this little gem's going to last long. This is Chris at Prestige, 694-1234. We'll see you at the store.